Okay, so we have this beautiful website. From the front end, everything looks fine at the moment. But with WordPress, everything has to be kept up to date. Otherwise, we miss out on security patches, security updates, and we allow our website to be vulnerable. So the plugins, themes are always updating themselves. WordPress is always coming out with updates. So we need to keep on top of this, otherwise our site will be vulnerable and we open ourselves up to so many different things. The site can cripple itself, it can freeze up, injections of malware, etc., etc. So the first thing to do before updating anything, including the theme files and also plugins or even WordPress, this one doesn't need a WordPress update, is to take a backup, which I explained in a previous video tutorial, which is just coming here, export to file, allowing it to download to the desktop. Once it's downloaded properly, completed without any failure errors, then we can go ahead and hover over here. Once we hover here, we're going to see updates. Okay, so if we come here, we come up here, hover, updates. So I've already done a backup of this website. So now I'm going to select all, click update. We have 4 or 5 here to update, so this will take a few seconds. Okay, so this is done. Let's go back to updates. Now we're using the Avada framework as like the base code for this website. So we can see here that this also needs an update. So remember, we've done all the backups. So if anything goes wrong, which doesn't usually happen, but if something goes wrong, we can always go back and we can reinstall this backup that we have. Okay, so select update. This will take a few seconds. Okay, so that's successful. Okay, so now, as part of that Avada framework, now that we've updated it, there's now 2 plugins that are essential for this theme, for this framework. And that's Fusion Builder and Fusion Core. So we need to make sure that we update both of these. Okay, so we just add updates here, click update. Okay, perfect. So we can see here now plugins. All the plugins are up to date. Nothing's highlighted. We come back here, hover over dashboard, updates. Okay, we can see everything's up to date. Okay, thanks for watching.